This video will cover painting with an air compressor, noting all the fixtures and adapters. I have 2 other videos from years ago when I had my portal cable compressor. In this video I will get more detailed and specific about setting up for painting. The links to the older videos are in the description. Here you can see 2 gauges, the tank pressure and the pressure for the tool. First, we will pressurize the tank to maximum before adjusting tool pressure. This is the moisture trap in my setup. This is the Badger 250-4 air sprayer hooked up with a reducing adapter. In this clip, we show the complete system start to finish. In this close-up you see the Badger air sprayer. Note that this is single action and only a siphon tube is present. No airbrush needle here. Let us test this bad boy out. To receive notifications of my upcoming content, please subscribe. If you would like to see other tools in action that I use to make art, leave a comment.